Here we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA 220D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the chrome Mercedes badge on the front grille just there, the factory night package, we have the colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the black roof rails, we also have the pano glass roof just there, along with the rear spoiler. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera, we have the parking assist, the dual exit exhaust and a power assisted tailgate which will open with a simple press of a button. Inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. As you can see, we have two storage nets on either side as well. We also have a 12-volt connectivity just there too. Coming up here, if you press this button just there, you find it closes just like so. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, in the back first you'll find the full leather interior. We have the red stitching, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well. We also have the vents for the rear passengers along with the storage nets behind the front seats. Brushed metal handles on the doors along with the electric windows, integrated speakers and again the leather trim with the red stitching. Coming into the front, you'll find the same full leather interior with the red stitching. Both of these front seats are heated and there is a look at them. We have the electrically adjustable seats with the memory function as well on both sides. We also have the electric windows which are at the rear, electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just down there, flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. If we take a seat inside, then you'll find the stalk just down there for speed limiter and cruise control. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button which is just down there, then the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find that will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So we can switch between different views on the digital screen in the centre by using this side of the steering wheel. So currently we have miles per hour, we can change that to the miles that this car has done. We also have all of these other options just here as well. So we have the navigation, we have the audio, the phone connectivity as well. We have the assistant, so if we go into that, this is where you find the road assistance with the speed limit. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that's flickering, that is just the camera, it's not like that in reality. So on here again we have the sat nav, we also have the radio, which is where you'll find the FM and AM radio. If you press that once more you can find the AM radio just there. So we have a range of media as well, such as the Bluetooth audio, we also have the media interfaces, the memory card and the CD player. We have the phone connectivity as well, so if we press that once more, this is where you'll find the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay as well. We also have all of the different drive modes, so we have the Comfort drive mode, we have the Sport, Individual, Off-Road and also the Eco drive mode. If we go onto the vehicle settings, this is where you'll find the ambient lighting, so we have a few options to choose from just there. Also, if we put the car into reverse, this is where you'll find the reversing cameras, so we have a couple of options to go through just there. Put it back into park low. Further down you find the vents, we also have all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen just there. We have the heated seats on both sides, all works just as it should do. We have the drive mode button as well, the auto start button, the parking sensors, the hill descent button. We also have the climate control just down here with the ice cold air conditioning as well. We have some storage space just inside of there with a 12-volt connectivity and another extra bit of storage space just inside of there as well. We also have two good sized cup holders just there, the button just here for the infotainment screen and also a nice leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. Inside of there you find two USB ports, but that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2016 66 plate Mercedes-Benz GLA 220D AMG Line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm marked the back steering wheel to keep it in any straight lines against straight and do not veer off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel if you wish to take the car into manual mode. So you do have the paddle shift on the rear. Now I'm going to take a left at around about as you would if you test drive this vehicle today. Now, just below the multifunction steering wheel, you do have your cruise control and speed limiter stuck. Now, to activate the cruise control, so you push down or pull towards you and goes to nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly or just by one, and push up till feel a bit of a click, and it'll just turn nearest 5 miles an hour. To cancel, push away on the gears on the stalk or tap the brake, and it'll then cancel. We have your big satellite navigation screen in the centre, where you can see again our satellite navigation, your complete Bluetooth audio connectivity. You also have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay built into this vehicle. Now you do again the navigation, your radio. We have very comfortable seats throughout this vehicle. Now they are the full leather with the extended thigh support. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated and electric and memory. Very, very comfortable seats indeed. You can quite easily do 200, 300, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Throughout the interior of this vehicle, you do have the brushed metal trim with the red stitching. Very nice combinations you have. You also have the red accents in the seats. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Looking up, you do have the panoramic sunroof, as it is a VP Premium Plus. So right now I'm coming to the industrial state where I can take a right. I'm going to perform a major stop, pop straight into reverse, and just show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. I'm going to see pop up on the centre screen the rear camera. So pulling in now, I'm going to do a major stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard anti-brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just there. Back into drive again, no issues whatsoever. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now, if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now, we do offer free nationwide next day delivery, so whether you are in the country, we can facilitate that. So whether you're up in Aberdeen or down on the south coast near Cornwall and Devon, we can facilitate that free nationwide delivery. But that's it for me in this walk-around video test drive. If we haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can answer any of those questions or inquiries. That's it for me. Thanks for watching.